In the previous video, we talked about blockchain as the technology behind cryptocurrencies. In this video, let's take a look at the technology and mechanisms that support blockchain. First, let's talk about cryptography, the fundamental of blockchain. What is cryptography? Cryptography is a method to turn data that is recognizable by humans into an incomprehensible form in order to protect the data. It secures the activity in the network and makes the blockchain trustable. Two of the main purposes of cryptography in blockchain is to sign a transaction and chain the blocks together. To send transactions in the blockchain, users need an account, which is a key pair generated with cryptography. It comprises the private key and the public key. You may share your public key in order to receive transactions, but never ever share your private key. Private key is like the PIN to your ATM card. Once compromised, the money in your account might be gone for good. The private key is used to encrypt messages and sign a transaction, just like you sign a check to authorize a transfer of money. Cryptography is also used in creating hashes that link blocks together, as discussed in the previous video. Imagine the process of producing a hash as an equation. If I ask you, what is the answer to 2 plus 2? You will tell me it is 4. Easy. When I give you 4 and ask you for the equation, and if you tell me it is 2 plus 2, it is not entirely true, as 1 plus 3 equals 4 as well. So as 8 divided by 2, 1 times 4, 3.9 plus 0.1, and the possibilities go on and on. You get the idea. It is almost impossible to reverse the hash, unlink the blocks, and make changes. Years ago, when computing hardware and the internet were comparatively much inefficient and more expensive than they are now, client-server network systems were common. Recent years, the internet has become very accessible, and hardware like computers and storage are becoming much more affordable and available. Distributed networks or the peer-to-peer system become popular. What's a distributed network? With a distributed network system, all the computers in the network keep a copy of the data and execute functions concurrently, as compared to a client-server network where the server takes care of the storage of data with administrators who have the power to edit the data. Distributed network systems offer the transparency of data and contribute to the immutability of data. The blockchain is decentralized without a central authority. All activities that need a decision would need to get a majority agreement from all the participants. The agreement is achieved through a consensus protocol. There are two major consensus protocols, proof of work and proof of stake, with some other variations and improvements. The consensus protocol decides which transactions to be included in a block, when the block will be closed, and who gets the rewards. It allows the whole system to run autonomously without a central authority, putting the control back to the user's hands. In summary, blockchain is secure thanks to the cryptography, distributed network system, and consensus protocol mechanism. All these technologies and mechanisms come together to give immutability, transparency, and autonomy to the blockchain system. So, what's the big deal about it? How does this technology make a difference in our life? And what is proof of work and proof of stake? Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos to come where I will answer the questions one by one. See you next time.